Hey Giuseppe, it's great having you today at the BitNinja booth at CloudFest 2023. How are you doing today?
Fine. It's nice to see so much people there. Thanks.
Yeah, indeed, there are a lot of people this year. It is very, very busy, and we really appreciate your time that you have with us. We very, very grateful to have ServerPlan as a partner. So I would ask a couple of questions so we can a bit expand on that partnership. Okay?
Thanks a lot. Yes, of course.
So, first of all, could you tell me a bit more about ServerPlan, your role in the company, and more about your customers?
Yes. ServerPlan is an hosting company that we do, of course, all the services like shared hosting, VM, and dedicated servers. And I am the CTO, so working on the technical side. And customers are from all Europe and with different kind of requirements. So the challenge is to meet all the different requirements, and so we need to offer different products. And BitNinja help us to meet this requirement on the security side. So it's a good partner for us, and we use it from many years. I think maybe 8 or 10 years, so a long story, and working fine at the moment.
It is not a secret that we got many ideas from you, many requests on which way should we go with feature and improvement. So we are very thankful for you for that as well. Maybe could you tell us what we were able to solve after you installed BitNinja? What were the problems that you faced before using BitNinja, and what are the things that got a bit easier after you deployed BitNinja?
Yes, I think the great idea of BitNinja, and that we like at the start, and is still I think a very good idea, is the centralized IP reputation, and the way the CAPTCHA proxy is working on the gray side. That is a very good thing. So the problem we had at the start, of course, many years ago, of course, was that when an actor scan our big network, and we have to detect them and block on the customer machine, or when we have some amount of scan on the outer firewalls. But it was a complicated job to do with our automation, and BitNinja deployed on so many machines help us to do this in a few seconds. So when a scanner passes over the networks that are on different blocks, the IP will be automatically listed from the BitNinja and blocked on all the machine we have with BitNinja, that are a lot. So this is, I think, a great services for the customers, and the integration that BitNinja added in the years, from the log scanning, so the brute force detection and many other things, all add value to this idea, because block and at the same time and within seconds on all other machines that are still not scanned or connected for the malware action.
Thank you very much. That was a lot of useful information. Thank you. And basically, I would have two more quick questions for you. Whom would you recommend BitNinja for? Who think that would get the most value from BitNinja?
I think the most value is deploying all the modules. So enabling all the modules and know how to tune them to scan the right logs, for example, or maybe also on some cases have some machine outside of the firewalls, because the more protected machine are inside firewall, and the on-APOD system do not trigger. But this is another good model, and so having some machine outside of the network perimeter, maybe just to run BitNinja, help to trigger the IP reputation and to add information to the IP reputation system. And I think this is a good one.
Thank you, appreciate it. And my last question is, we know that ServerPlan is a very successful hosting provider. What is your secret to success? What is different with ServerPlan?
I think that there is the passion to do the good things and to pursue the customer needs.
Thank you. Thank you, Giuseppe, for your time, and I appreciate your time, and it's a pleasure having you.
Thanks a lot.
Right.